Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of Expert Village. In these clips, we're going to talk about some of the possible problems with your windshield washer system and some hints and tips to get better performance out of it. In this clip, we're going to talk about the windshield washer solvent system's reservoir, which a reservoir is the storage tank that you add your solvent to. The pump is located in the bottom of it, and when you engage the switch, the pumping motor pumps fluid from the reservoir through the hoses onto your windshield to clean off snow, ice, bugs, things of that nature. On this particular vehicle, as you can see, my washer solvent reservoir fill point is located right here. So just a pop-on cap. That's where you're going to add your washer solvent to. The locations vary. For your front washer system, the reservoir is normally located under the hood. You may be able to access the whole system from under the hood. You may not be able to. On this particular vehicle, we have to remove the inner fender well down inside here to gain access to the components that are failed. The access for our washer solvent reservoir is here and here. We're going to pull these screws out, fold it down so we can gain access to it and work on the system. Some vehicles have rear washer nozzles that will actually spray fluid on the rear windshield and clean it up for you. The fill point for that is either located under the hood in the same reservoir, or it is in the trunk area. Underneath, it may have a cap, a cover panel, or some device of that nature. If you can't find it right away, just refer to your vehicle's owner's manual, and it'll give you the location for it. This is your rear sprayer for your washer solvent. It'll spray on the windshield, and the wiper will engage and clean it up for you. I'm going to show you the fill point on this particular vehicle so you just get an idea where yours may be located. The fill point is right here. As you can see, it says rear washer fluid. Just pop the lid open and fill it up. Be careful not to overfill it. You don't want your solvent getting on the interior of your vehicle.